Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start tack welding these. But when I tack weld them, I've got a digital angle finder right here. And what I'll do is I'll put it up against the side of this frame right here. And I'll zero it out. Then I'm going to set it up on top of this one and wait till it gets zeroed out and tack weld it. That way I know for sure that it is straight with the frame. Also, this is my flat spot back here on my frame. As you can see, I'll also make sure it's zeroed out here, and then I'll come up here, put it across this one, make sure it's zeroed when it reaches zero on this angle, and then I'll tack weld it as far as this way goes. This will ensure that I'll have a completely straight C-notch, step notch, whatever you want to call it, with the frame. I'll make sure I do both sides that way. Then what I'll do is I'll lay this piece of angle iron. This is 2" by 2" 1/4" angle iron. I'll lay it across both of those. I'll zero it out back here because you can see where I've got it right now. I'll make sure it's zeroed out leveled here. Then I'll come up there, lay it across those, and make sure it's leveled out up there. That way I'll know for sure that it's completely straight. So let me get you set up on the tripod here and we'll start doing this. Alright, now I'm only going to tack weld this edge right here. That way I can still bring it up if I need to bring it up in the front. So, alright, we got that side. Now let's jump over here and we're going to tack weld this one. Alright, now we're going to zero this edge out. That is pretty good right there. I'm going to leave that just like that. Like 0.1, so. got that all burned in on the insides and the outsides, as you can see. Next, what we're going to do, we're fixing to cut this out. That way it gets rid of this chunk here in the middle. Then we can finish welding down here and down here. And then with the way this is a X-frame, as you can see, it leaves a pretty big box opening right there. So I'm trying to think of a way that I can box this in instead of just coming straight across. You know, I'd like to kind of put a little curve in it, kind of give it just, you know, just a little design. But anyhow, I may just come straight across and be done with it. But yeah, let's get these centers cut out. Well, there you have a notched 62 Chevy frame. And there it is, fellas. 62 Chevy pickup with the X brace in the frame is notched. So next what we're going to do, like I said, is we're going to find something to fill in here to make that kind of look a little decent. Then we'll get our welds kind of ground down. And we'll also go ahead and weld that spot right through there and on the bottom. Also, that one there and on the bottom. Both sides. Let's get it done. Alright guys, there we go. That is my little touch on the crossbar. I didn't want to just put something plain, you know, kind of just going straight across. So kind of thought up of this. The lady that owns this truck, her name starts with an A, so hope she likes that. If not, I can always cut it out, redo it. It's not sticking up terribly high, but what I've done is I kicked it just a little bit, that way whenever you kind of look at the back, this right here is going to kind of be the focal point of it. They were wanting to just raise the bed and cover all this up, but I'm not so sure they're going to want to do that now. I don't know, they may make it to where the inside of the bed can raise up on a hinge. I can do that for them. Or another idea would be to kind of leave the bed flat at the back, come up to the brace right here, come around it, and put some metal behind this. That way you can't see through it. And then the front part of the bed, keep it up at that angle and go straight back up towards the cab. Just kind of step it up towards the front, and put some LEDs kind of behind these bars. That way, whenever you open it up, you know, it'll have some nice lighting in there. So, but anyhow, I'm gonna wrap it up for the night, guys. That's basically how you do a step notch on a 62 Chevy truck. Sorry, a little tired. Been at this for 15 hours today. Love it. Love this stuff. We've still got to finish the inside boxing right here, which that's nothing. But this will be the video, I guess, part 1 of this process. So we're just waiting on the bag mounts to come in, and then we'll start getting the airbags put on this thing. But guys, I hope you all like this. It's been a while since I've done a video, and I apologize for that, but I'm not a rich man. But no, I'm just playing. Well, really, I ain't rich. But anyhow, we have everyday lives outside of this stuff, and I'm not real good at doing a scheduled video process, because I never know what I'm doing. I put my family before anything, so usually I'm spending more time with my family. But anyhow, guys, I hope you like this. Until next time, God bless you.